Hello, people, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary, and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that career. There's nothing wrong in wanting to advance in your career, but that does not mean that career should be the end all and be all of your life. I guess all I'm saying is that it should not become an obsession. So I have heard stories of people who basically make so many enemies for the sake of getting promotions within that company. They act very Machiavellian, Machiavellian, and they play dirty tricks for the sake of getting that one beloved promotion that they want. And I start thinking that really, did you really have to suspend? It's, if you need money for some kind of emergency that you have in your life, and a person who basically commits a robbery because he or she has some kind of uh, some kind of urgent monetary need that he or she has. Maybe he or she has to pay bills, maybe he or she doesn't want to be homeless. So in those cases, people committing crimes for the sake of getting out from some kind of uh, problem, monetary problem, financial problem that they have. So when people commit crimes because of those problems in their lives, it is understandable. But when you are a person who is earning a decent amount of money, you don't have any problems in your life, your family is pretty well off, you are pretty well off, you don't have any urgent problems in your life, and even then you are uh, obsessed about making it to the top, maybe becoming the CEO of your company. Again, nothing wrong in wanting to be the CEO of your company. Nothing wrong in wanting to hold a higher position within your company, to command greater respect amongst your colleagues. There's nothing wrong in wanting that. But when that desire for commanding greater respect, when that ambition for getting ahead in your life, getting ahead in your career, when that ambition, when to fulfill that ambition, you start breaking all the boundaries of ethics and morality that there are, that I would say that you have a problem. Then you do have a problem. I mean, that means that you're obsessed about career, and you just don't give you just don't care about morals, about ethics, about friendships, about people's lives, about how you might be hurting other people because of your obsession to get to the top in your company, to get to the top in your career. And all I would say is that karma is there. No matter what you say, no matter what you believe, I firmly believe that karma is there. And if you have done unethical things for the sake of getting to the top of your company, getting to the top of your career ambition, you are going to pay for those actions. You are going to face the consequences of those bad karma, one way or the other, one day in the future. I firmly believe that. You might not agree with my point of view, might firmly disagree, and say that, I'm just this guy is just a YouTuber. What does he know about about um, about working in a company, or working at or um, wanting to advance in your career? Fine, I concede that. I have never worked in a company, but and I do, I have I thankfully, I guess, I don't have a um, uh, currently, I think I don't have an obsession to be the richest person in the world, or to be the CEO of a $1 billion company or $1 trillion company. I don't have that kind of an obsession. I do want to earn more money. I do have a desire. There's nothing wrong in having a desire to have a better lifestyle, to have a slightly luxurious lifestyle, to say the least. But again, I hope I never I pray to God that I never ever break the boundaries of morality, the boundaries of ethics, for the sake of getting to the top of a company. No, I don't need that. I hope Please God, keep me humble that I never ever you know compromise on my morals, on my ethics for the sake of getting some kind of promotion. And I hope that I earn a decent amount of money to take care of my family. That for me personally, that's all I would want, to take care of my family, and to have a decent enough lifestyle. That is that is more than enough for me. But when you want to just show off your status in front of your colleagues, to show off your status in front of your neighbors, that you see, I'm the CEO of a company, or the CTO of a company. CTO, I think, is the chief technology officer in a company, chief financial officer in a company. You want to show off your status. See, I have a BMW or a Lamborghini. Nothing wrong in wanting to have a Lamborghini, but if you are just showing off, if you want it just for the sake of showing off, I mean, and you are just flaunting your own wealth, flaunting your own status in society, I would say that what are you doing, my friend? It's not worth it. There's nothing. Do fun things with your with money, but again, don't look for validation, or what I would say is that don't flaunt your wealth, don't flaunt your lifestyle, don't flaunt. Yeah, that's basically what I'm trying to say. Don't be arrogant. It's as simple as that. I hope I got that point across. I might talk about this more in the next video. Until then, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.